Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be reviewing this carbon front lip from Karbontechnic that just arrived. So without further ado, let's get straight to opening this wooden crate. Before we get into today's video, I want to ask if you guys could please subscribe to the channel as it's free, it helps me out a lot, and if you guys don't enjoy my content, you can simply unsubscribe for free as well. Thanks guys. Anyways, on with the video. Okay, so now that the carbon lip is out of the packaging, we can take a closer look at it. From a first glance, I would say that the carbon lip looks pretty good actually, despite the price. Although the coating has a few imperfections here and there, it is certainly nothing to complain about. Over here, there are actually 2 scratches. These are not because of Karbontechnic. This was actually my own mistake when I opened the bubble wrap using a cutter and went a bit too deep and actually hit the front lip. Despite that, the rest of the carbon lip, as you can see here, looks really well done, despite, like I said, the price. Of course, you're not gonna expect levels of quality like with APR and whatnot, but then again, they cost over 10 times this carbon front lip, so I would say it's definitely worth the price. Once again, I would like to give a massive thanks to Karbontechnic on Instagram because they gave a pretty good discount on this front lip as a result of a giveaway. So if you would like to check out and purchase one for yourself, there is a link in the description. Now, with that out of the way, let's get to installing this onto the car.
Get space when I'm thinking about you, but I don't wanna go to bed. It's late, but I'm fine. It's been days since I felt alive with you. Lost choice and I'm living without you, but I don't wanna hide away. It's true that I'm lost without you tonight, and I don't know. I don't know. I just been waiting for a better time, maybe a moment when the stars align. Cause I don't wanna fight, these words can go all night. I just been waiting for a better time, maybe a moment when the stars align. Cause I don't wanna fight, these words can go all night.
So guys, here is how the carbon front lip looks on the car. Overall, I think it looks really nice and I'm happy with how it turned out. The install was very easy, it took probably around 30 minutes. Like I said, I'm very happy with the quality of this lip, and once again, massive thank you to Karbontechnic. If you are interested in purchasing one, I'll be leaving a link in the description. That's all for today's video guys. If you enjoyed it, please do leave a like, and if you want to see more content like this, feel free to subscribe. Either way, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
I just been waiting for a better time, maybe a moment when the stars align. Cause I don't want